given h of x is equal to 4 times 2 to the power negative x in brackets plus 1. So first things first, determine the coordinates of the y-intercept of h. Well, for that we just place x equal to 0. So y-intercept is just going to be h of 0. So y is equal to 4 times 2 to the power negative 0 plus 1. Well, that's just equal to 1. And 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, which means our y-intercept exists at 0, at the coordinates 0 and 5. Explain why h does not have an x-intercept. Well, to explain that, this is a decreasing graph, but it's still decreasing from infinity downwards. So first things first, let's have a look at what it's doing. Well, it's coming down, 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 down. But wait, it has an asymptote over here. And the asymptote sits there at y is equal to 1. So graphically, all it can do, it can cut the y-axis, but it can approach the asymptote. It can't even cross it. No? Never mind that, it can't even touch it, never mind cross it. So it's never reaching the x-axis. So why does h not have an x-intercept? Well, number 2, because y is greater than 1 in terms of range. Thusly, no x-intercept is possible. Or we could state that the x-axis is defined by y equal to 0 and the lowest value of h is greater than, not 0, it's greater than 1. The lowest value of h is greater than 1. Either or something that just makes logical sense to explain what's going on graphically. Well, draw a sketch of h, clearly showing all asymptotes and intercepts with the axes. And we can handle that roughly. If that is our y-intercept, and that is our x-intercept. Just draw an asymptote, as you said. So that's y be equal to 1. You can take that to be the value 5, which we calculated right over there. Okay. Maybe let's do that slightly better. So that's 0 and 5 in coordinate form. And this is an indication that this is decreasing. So it's decreasing rather sharply. And then should turn sharply as well. Again, approaching the asymptote, never even touching it, never mind crossing it. Well, describe the transformation from h to g of g of x, if g of x is equal to, well, that expression on the right, which is 4, open bracket, 2 to the power negative x plus 2. So let's just investigate g of x first. So g of x is equal to 4 times 2 to the power negative x plus 2, which can simplify into 4 times 2 to the power negative x plus 8. Well, it's broadly similar to this. The only difference is the q value here is 8 and the q value there is 1. We know how to interpret that. Well, this thing's gone up by 7 units, and that is the transformation they want to describe. So g of x has shifted upwards by 7